Many times, law enforcement is forced to put a person suffering from mental illness behind bars during a criminal disturbance.
This week, Governor Asa Hutchinson passed a law that will build 3 health centers in Arkansas to provide treatment instead.
5 News reporter Joe Ellison tells us how local law enforcement hopes one of those centers is built in our community.
This week, Arkansas Governor Asa Hutchinson signed a bill into law that will hopefully reduce the number of incarcerated people who suffer from a mental illness. The governor has designated $5 million to build 3 mental health crisis stabilization centers. Currently, law enforcement often have no other choice than to put a person with a mental illness behind bars when there is a criminal disturbance. But once these centers exist, that person would be transported to a center where they can receive the help they need.
They can stay there anywhere from 24 hours up to maybe possibly 2 weeks. And it helps them to get back on their medication. It helps them to integrate back into society, go back to their jobs, pay their taxes, become good, healthy parents or sons or daughters, rather than getting locked up in the criminal justice system.
Sebastian County Sheriff Bill Hollenbeck has been a longtime advocate of implementing these centers. He, along with the county judge, quorum court members, and other county leaders, have traveled to Washington to learn about these centers. The governor has not designated where these stabilization centers will be located, but Sebastian County leaders are hopeful.
We have gone to Little Rock and we have gone before the governor to other legislators to let them know how important this is.
In Fort Smith, covering the news where you live, Joe Ellison, 5 News.
Police estimate that 1/3 of those behind bars right now suffer from some type of a mental health issue.